Top 5 Best Toolkits. Number 5. Fastpro 232-piece 20-volt cordless tool set. The Fastpro 232-piece is the ultimate household hero, especially if your life involves fixing things, dealing with messy garages, or dodging tool thieves. Teenagers, I'm looking at you. It's packed with everything you need for light repairs, car tinkering, or assembling furniture without calling your dad or borrowing from a neighbor. The pink theme? Genius. Moms love it because it's unmistakable and apparently thief-proof. One reviewer even noted her dad couldn't sneak off with her tools anymore because they stood out like a beacon. The drill is lightweight yet reliable, handling small jobs effortlessly, and the bag is spacious and organized with extra room for screws and wires. A rare win in household tool storage. Sure, there's the odd hiccup. A box cutter's blade cap can get loose, and one battery showed up DOA, but was fixed with a DIY hack. Bonus points for ingenuity. Still, the kit's sturdy quality and thoughtful design keep users happy. Whether you're solving household chaos or gifting it to your daughter, this set gets the job done and then some. Highly recommend, especially if you want your tools back where they belong. Coming in number 4. Craftsman 102-piece toolkit for home and car. The Craftsman 102-piece is a versatile, high-quality set perfect for new apartment dwellers or anyone who needs a reliable all-in-one toolkit. It's not just another inflated piece count kit. Every tool here is practical and well-made, with no cheap fillers. The inclusion of a full-sized 16-aught hammer, proper screwdrivers, not just a bit driver, and both metric and SAE 6-point sockets makes this kit stand out. The tools are compactly stored in a sturdy molded case, making it portable and ideal for keeping in your car or apartment without clutter. The ratchet design, with its sleek handle and thin head, is a joy to use and fits tight spaces easily. While the hammer and tape measure feel a bit out of place for a mechanic's kit, their utility for general home repairs can't be denied. Some reviewers note that these tools may not match the robustness of older Craftsman models under heavy torque, but the lifetime warranty offers peace of mind. Overall, this set offers excellent value, a wide range of tools, and dependable quality. Perfect for DIYers, renters, or as a thoughtful gift. It's a solid mix of practicality and portability. Highly recommend. Coming in number 3. Topline 467-piece household home tool sets. The Topline 467-piece is a powerhouse for anyone needing a versatile all-in-one toolkit. Whether you're tackling daily household maintenance, furniture assembly, or even automotive repairs, this set has you covered. It's thoughtfully designed without filler pieces. Everything here is genuinely useful. The hand tools include essentials like a magnetic screwdriver set with 80 bits, pliers, a 16-foot tape measure, and a 16-aught hammer with 100 hardware pieces. For mechanical work, it boasts 50 metric and SAE sockets, reversible ratchets, extension rods, spark plug sockets, and more. The bi-material handles are comfortable and ergonomic, and the tools are made from heat-treated drop-forged steel for durability and corrosion resistance. The sturdy 16-inch tool bag is another highlight, with a wide-mouth design, water-resistant base, and multiple inside and outside pockets for organization. It's portable, with an adjustable shoulder strap and padded hand strap, making it perfect for home projects or on-the-go repairs. This set is ideal for anyone looking for a complete toolkit without breaking the bank. It's practical, durable, and packed with value, whether you're outfitting an RV, gifting a friend, or just upgrading your home repair game. Highly recommend for DIYers and pros alike. Coming in number 2. Dekopro 258-piece toolkit. The Dekopro 258-piece toolkit is a dream for anyone seeking a portable, well-organized, and durable toolkit. Whether you're a budding handyman or someone who just wants a complete set of tools in one place, this kit delivers big time. Its standout feature is the rolling case, tough and durable with reinforced PP material, skating wheels, and a height-adjustable handle. It's perfect for frequent travel or extended use, and the removable inner trays let you grab just what you need without hauling the whole kit. The thick, rubber-coated handle adds comfort for easy transport. Inside, you'll find all the essentials: wrenches, screwdrivers, hammers, rulers, and more, all made of high-temperature forged Car V steel with a corrosion-resistant chrome finish. These tools meet or exceed ANSI standards, so quality isn't sacrificed for convenience. Users rave about its practicality. It's a great starter set, covering all the basics and helping keep tools organized in one spot. No more digging through random drawers. While seasoned pros might prefer a more tailored setup, this kit's versatility, portability, and solid construction make it a fantastic value for anyone needing a complete toolkit. Coming in number 1, Dewalt DWMT75049. The Dewalt DWMT75049 socket set is a hidden gem for anyone serious about sockets. This 192-piece set is all about quality and practicality, with no fluff like screwdriver bits or half-hearted wrench sets. Instead, it's packed with what you really need, a comprehensive array of 6-point sockets, both shallow and deep well, extensions, universal joints, adapters, and Torx and Allen and hex drive sockets. The 6-point design minimizes the risk of rounding bolts, making this set ideal for heavy-duty work. The 72-tooth ratchets are smooth, durable, and thoughtfully designed. A clever feature lets you slip a deep well socket over the ratchet handle to use an extension as a cheater, perfect for stubborn bolts. While the Allen wrenches included are decent, some might wish for ball-end ones or more large sockets instead. Still, the socket selection is thorough, covering all driver sizes, SAE and metric, in a logical, organized case that keeps everything secure. Many users praise the high-quality materials, tight tolerances, and solid feel, which rival more expensive brands. Whether you're a pro mechanic or a serious DIYer, this set is a workhorse, and the durable case is a bonus. Dewalt may be known for power tools, but this socket set proves they can excel in mechanic tools too.